Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. This quote is by Richard Bach. To bring anything into your life, imagine that it's already there. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials finished down 106. NASDAQ off 68. Got smoked. S&P's down 15. Gold contract up $23.80, folks. Wide price spread, accelerated volume, trading at $1,258 an ounce. And we get a special guest that's coming up at 4:30, folks, and that's going to be Chris Gaffney, the president of Everbank World Markets. Great day to have him on. He's going to be bisecting and dissecting those world markets for us. Silver, it's trading at $16.88. Platinum up 24 at $1,257 an ounce. Copper down, copper's up 6 pennies rather at $2.57 a pound. Light sweet crude just can't hold price, folks. Light sweet crude down $2.30, trading at $46.17 a barrel. Bonds, the Eveready bond market, folks, phenomenal, okay? We had the 10-year up 27 ticks at 130.19, had the price spread, had the volume, all of the above. 30-year, folks, up a full point and 7 ticks at 150.20. And those markets, folks, the yield is 1.7 right now on the 10-year. You want a mortgage, go get it right now. That should bang out at about 3.8. The 30-year, folks, has never been this low. The 30-year is at 2.3% for 30-year money. Pretty incredible. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar is out there at 92.53. Euro is at down 176 at 116.13, and the yen is down 93 at 116.40. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's go there first. What do we have? Well, it's pretty intense. You're coming into option expiration, folks, and you're coming in with some juice in the marketplace. Market's done $900 million out here today. The futures, we did 25 million contracts. We're at 1992. The swing point from the 6th, we did 20 million contracts. Bottom line, you're going after, and I expect we're going to go after this tomorrow morning. And what you're going after, folks, is that you're going after the December 16th swing point of 1961. We can take a look at the SPY, the correlation inside the SPY. This is the correlation inside the SPY. The SPY right now is at 199.02. That is at the low of the January 6th mark. That's going to be going after 197.86. The NDX 100, we used the 3 Qs for the NDX 100. That just blew it away. I mean, it's pretty intense. NDX 100 is trading at 99.65. That is under the swing low from the December 16th area. It has some juice, going to need more volume, but bottom line, that also is going to be making a run down to the October 15th swing area. The October 15th swing lows, folks, are the benchmark all over the place. I will get into the financials in a bit. What you're going to see inside the financials is just basically toasted those October 15th swing areas. What that says, that's a heads up that guess what? That it won't hold. Gold contract. What do we do with gold? Gold had it all out here today, folks, okay? You had the Swiss National Bank turned around and said, see you later. I'm going to get rid of the peg to the euro. That was this morning. Brought chaos into the currency markets in a heartbeat. Bottom line, Swiss franc goes much higher against the euro in a big way. Gold follows right through. Gold did 261,000 contracts out here today. Got to a high of 1267.20 with volume. Wide price spread, accelerated volume. Gold's on its way up to this 1298 area. Big, big number. Bonds, as we were talking about a little bit earlier, bonds are just amazing. You take a look at this bond market out here, and they not only went higher, they went a lot higher. The TYH March 5 this year. The 30-year out here was trading up, well, the 10-year was trading up at 28 ticks at 130. The 30-year up 109 at 150.25. We take a look at the small caps, the IWM. What we did with the IWM also came lower, has juice behind that move. What I expect you're going to see in the IWM is this. We're going after the same type of swing points. The IWM is at 114. That wants to go after 113. And what's wide open is down there at that 104.86. So you're coming into option expiration tomorrow. Option expiration, of course, you can have much higher volume characteristics, and that's exactly what I expect you're going to have. Now, let's go over to the XLE. Oh, no, we got to go to oil next. So we take a look at oil. Oil also couldn't hold price out here today. You had light sweet crude. It's trading at 46.24. We'll see whether this oil can get a bounce. I mean, the bottom line, it should be bouncing, but you know what? Just like the equities, can't seem to hold price at all. Not even close. The oil contract got to 51 today. We're trading at the 46 area right now. Go over to the financials. Now, the financials broke down. You know, it started with J.P. Morgan Chase yesterday. They came down with volume. The XLF broke the swing point from 23.68. That swing point was December 16th. We are going down to the October 15th swing point. If you want to, when you're looking at markets, folks, what you're always looking for is that you're trying to glean information out of it, because you always have leaders, you have laggards, okay? Bottom line, we go over to Citigroup. We see what happened with Citigroup out here. Citigroup has just gone from 56 to 47, absolutely blew away the October 15th swing point. That swing point was 48.11. Right now, Citigroup is at 47.35. We go to Bank of America, BAC, same setup. Bank of America has just gone from 1850 to 1530. Monster volume, by the way. Bank of America just blew away the October 15th swing point. That swing point was $15.43. We're at 15.50 and has it all. We did it with volume. That saying going much lower. J.P. Morgan, that's approaching it. J.P. Morgan actually started everyone down. J.P. Morgan is trading at 54.99. That swing point down there is 54.28. In fact, this is a lower close, not a lower price. J.P. Morgan, I expect what you're going to see in the next couple of days, that also is going to blow that baby away. What hasn't broken yet, but looks like it's going to break, is the IBB. Once the IBB breaks, folks, what you're going to see the NASDAQ 100, you're going to see the composite get taken apart in 2 seconds. The IBB today went from 317 down to 307. What does it have? Well, hanging out here in a huge way is the 247 area. High volume, has it all down at those areas, meaning that it looks to me that it not only wants to get into that area, it looks like it's going to just take that area apart. We go over to the large integrated oils, ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil still hanging at these lows. Exxon has already hit the October 15th swing low. We take a look at the XLE, that energy sector in general. Energy sector is below that whole deal. We're at 72.86, and the XLE, that was 77.51. Individually, what you have out here, folks, is this, is that individually you have many equities that have already broken the October 15th swing low, when in fact the S&Ps are still dramatically higher. Goldman Sachs is coming out with their numbers tomorrow morning. Goldman has just come down from 196 to 178. What is wide open, which is going to be just a mind blower, is 171.26. That is a high volume swing low. Let's see exactly what time Goldman's coming out with their numbers. They're coming out with their numbers at 0730. So you can see what you have happening out here is that these benchmarks are being hit. They're being hit, and this is the key that you want to take away from this. If you're long and strong, get stops in, because the financials are hitting these swing points, and they're hitting them with accelerated volume. The volatility is in this market, and it's in this market in spades. I don't expect it's going to come out of this market also. Bottom line, You have the wide price spread, accelerated volume as you're going after these lows. Dow Industrials finished down 106. NASDAQ was down 68. S&Ps are off 18.5. You stay right there, folks. We got a special guest coming up next. We got our man, Mr. Chris Gaffney. He's the president of Everbank World Markets. What a great day to have him. We're talking world markets. We're talking currencies. We're talking metals. We're going to be right back.